Go on then, buddy. Good boy. Right. Get some water on the way back. So dogs are allowed in. Yeah, I'm definitely glad we left this to its own day to do it. He would have been shattered last time otherwise. So part of it's fallen down. Jeez. The hill took it out of you, didn't it? Wow. Hold on then, you gonna sit? Good boy. 1 minute. Oh, look at the view. Oh. It's nice. He's a tired dog.
Oh yeah,
all
climbing, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
What's his name?
Sherpa. Sherpa. Yeah. He'll start howling in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, that's where we're parked over there. Can you go up these steps, buddy? Let's have a look. Jeez. Got a picture? Yeah? Good boy. Oops. Good boy. Good boy. Jeez. Oops.
Yeah, you're a well-behaved dog. Yeah.
Well mannered, he's tired.
That's a long climb.
Yeah, he usually talks a lot, and he's probably going to any second now because like. There you go. There you
We
go.
had something to say
Yeah, I
there.
can see it building up then. But... and that's what you do. No, not in there. No. You're right. Good boy. Last one. I'm not fucking either. Last one. Ready? Good boy. Good morning, buddy. Should we go and see a big castle? You can do it. Good boy. Good boy. Tunnel Conway. How nice is that, eh? Jesus. Two minutes away from the castle, I hope. Right. Hopefully they'll let dogs in. Right. I'm not sure if they'll let dogs in or not, so when we get to the entrance, can you act as quietly and as well behaved as possible? So they will? Yeah? Sway them. Now in my defence, I thought where the signs were, it meant no dogs inside that area. I didn't know it meant that way as well. I thought it was like on the fence because you weren't allowed in there. So we made a boo-boo. Oh, I think we've come in the part where you're not allowed dogs. I thought this was to the castle. Oops. So it's this whole area where he's not allowed. Oh dear. That's where we are. See you later.
Dogs can only go on the ground.
Yeah, he's too old to go up anyway. Yeah. Just me.
Say in the morning, don't you?
Yeah. He is.
Hello.
Hello.
Screen.
There you go.
Don't say hello to
Yeah, help yourself. Yeah, yeah.
I want to come too.
Yeah, very
I
low.
used to have a husky.
Oh, right. You know what to expect then. Oh wow. It's lovely. You right? Happy? Picture time. Hold on. Come here then. Right, sit. Wait. Wait. Very cool. You're not going to be able to get out of these stairs, but let's have a quick peep just here. Oh wow, look at this. Don't worry, you don't have to go up, buddy. I don't know if you're meant to be doing this though, Sherps. Right, hold on, wait there. One second. Oh, wow. Are you sure you want to be going up these steps, Sherps? Oh, cool. Go on then. Wow. Hey, buddy. How you doing? That wasn't like a Joey thing to a bird. That's it, you got this. You're right. Thank you. Right. It's the Southern Gatehouse. It's lovely, isn't it, Sherps? What's this over here? Should we go and have a look? Oh, can you build the castle? We should have bought Sister Sarah. She would have done that in like 17 years. Well, they just foam bits. That's really good actually for the kids. Wow. It's like a letter A. Oh shit, there's a harp. Ready? How cool is that, eh? Oops, again. There's a pidgeon. You're facing the wrong way, buddy. Hold on. There, it's water. You're not going in, just, yeah, that's it. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Chatbox. Can you say hello?
Did you hear him?
What's his name?
Sherpa.
Sherpa?
Sherpa, come say hello.
Sherpa?
Good boy.
Wait, geez,
It's lovely,
boy.
it's meant to rain, wasn't it? Should get you a sword. Look, wafts. Might get one for Key actually. I don't think he's going to be allowed these ones, but let's get one of those. Just a couple of these ones. There we go. Cool, right.
Cheers, I'll take
See you
care.
later on,
Thanks a
thanks. Someone parked in the wrong place.